Creating detailed 3D models has always been a job for specialists, often taking hours or even days. But what if you could turn any single image into a high-quality, print-ready 3D model in just a few minutes? Today, I'm showing you how to do exactly that with an incredible AI tool called Hitem 3D. Let's dive in. So, what is Hitem 3D? It's an AI-powered tool by Mathmagic that generates stunning 3D models from just one picture. And with its recent version 1.5 update, it's become a true game changer. Why? Because it now supports an ultra-high resolution of up to 15K, that's significantly more detailed than most other tools that cap out at 10K. This means better geometry, sharper details, and models that are genuinely ready for production or 3D printing. Let's walk through the process together. First, use the link in the description to head over to Hitem 3D and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll find this clean interface. The first step is simple: upload your image. For this example, I'm going to use this picture of an Autobot transformer. Now, before we hit generate, let's look at the settings. Model: make sure you've selected the latest 1.5 model. It's far superior to the older version. Resolution: you'll see a few options. 5K is fast and costs fewer credits, perfect for a quick test. But for the best quality, you can go all the way up to 15K Pro. I recommend generating the model in 2 steps. First, generate the geometry without the texture. This gives you more control. Let's start with a lower resolution to test it out. Everything is set, so I'll hit generate. Alright, after a few moments, our 3D model is ready. And look at this, we can preview it right here in the browser, rotate it, zoom in, and see it from every angle. The geometry is clean, and the surfaces are smooth. But what if you spot an issue? One of the best features of Hitem 3D is that it offers 3 free retries for each generation. This means you can fix errors and perfect your model without spending extra credits. Now that we're happy with the shape, let's add the texture. I'll just click the Generate Texture button. This process also uses AI to create a realistic texture map based on the original image. And there we go. The textured model looks fantastic. Creating a texture this detailed using traditional methods would take hours. Hitem 3D did it in under a minute. Once you're satisfied, you can easily download the model in common formats like GLB or OBJ. From there, you can import it into software like Blender or Maya for more customization, animation, or to prepare it for 3D printing. I'd love to hear what you think. Have you tried creating 3D models with AI? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials on amazing AI tools like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.